Today I'll teach you how to make viral scratch animations in just 5 minutes. Okay, so first you want to choose your sprite. Normally, I just use the Scratch Cat sprite, but you can use any sprite you want. Now, what you want to do is you can click on the Costumes tab, and you can edit your sprite however you want. I've edited my sprite into a Scratch Cat astronaut. You can copy me, but you can also make it wherever you want. Now duplicate your sprite and adjust it so that it looks like it's moving. Just like this. Now go on to the coding tab. After you do that, add a when green flag click and switch the costume to costume 1. What this does is this automatically restarts the costume every single time you press the green flag. So then add a forever loop and add next costume into it. And then do wait 0.3 seconds. This means that after 0.3 seconds, it will automatically go on to the next costume. If you press the green flag, you can see that it's moving now. Your Scratch Cat is moving. This is amazing, but it would be better if we added a bit of sound. Now, to add sound, it is not that hard. All you have to do is click on the Sounds tab, then you can just use your default sound, or you can choose another sound here. I'll choose the sound a bass. Now, to add the sound into the coding, you just have to add the code start sound onto the forever loop. Now, if you just click on the green flag, now that you've made a basic animation, you can take these animations further and create your own viral scratch animation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment my next video idea.